Okay. Oh my god, look. There's a pigeon on the train. There's a pigeon on the H-Train. I don't know why the fuck they let him get on. And they're waiting for clearance. And, there's a pigeon on the train. Oh, fuck. I hope this guy doesn't shit all over the place. Seriously, there's a pigeon that just walked in. Don't ask me why. That actually happened once. I'm gonna scare this little fucker out of here. Come on, get out. You're not allowed on this train. Come on, get out. Yo, get. Oh, did he just take a shit? Get out of here. Try to scare this little rascal out of here. Hey, get out the train, out the fucking train. There's no use. If I try it even harder, get the fuck out. Hey, get out. That's right. Get your ass out of the train. Get the fuck out of here, man. Yep. Oh, he just got into another train car. Yeah, he just got into the last car. Fucking idiot, man. Oh well. It's gonna be a real hornet's nest. Holy shit. That bit of bird. Fuck. Don't tell me he's on this train, isn't he? Ah, motherfucker. I see him. Yeah, he's hiding. Unless if I try to get up close to fuck with him. Hey, asshole, off the train. You ain't a paying passenger. Get the fuck out of here. The fuck out. I don't know why I'm messing with birds, but this is just for fun. Where the fuck is he? Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out. Get the fuck out, man. Run your ass off. Oh, he's back on the train. Womp, womp, womp. That's why I hate messing with birds. Whatever. Keep your ass on the train. Oh, fuck, he chased you out, huh? Fucking idiots. Yeah, he's pecking at trash. These are mostly trash birds. New York City pigeons, they eat a lot of shit. So, don't be surprised when you find this asshole somewhere. Hey, asshole, what are you doing here, huh? Fuck off. Fuck out of here. Yeah, I just found this random pigeon. He just started flying on my train I just got off of. I'm supposed to get off, but just got my attention. Hey, you little fucker, get out of here. Fuck. So pretty much, I think he's gonna be on this train to the last stop. I'm just gonna fuck with him. Hey, fuck off. Ain't a fucking pain, Tess. Yeah, pigeon is stuck on this. You know what? I'm gonna get the hell out of here now before I get in trouble by the cops or whatever. So, yeah. Where the hell is he? Yeah, so anyways, I gotta get off this train now before it starts leaving. So, this is AZ 192368 out. Where the hell is he? Little sneaky bastard. Ha 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 ha. Where this train leaves. Little bastards flying all over the place, isn't he? Little fucker. Hey, little fucker. Fucking pigeon. Fuck it, I'm out of here.